Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Roblox gift card. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, and you want to come to a web address which is roblox.com/redeem. So once you're logged in, you're going to be taken to a screen which looks like this, and what you're going to do is enter your promotion code down below. So this is actually going to be the pin on your Roblox card ID. Find your pin. If you actually look at the back of the cards, you'll have a little scratch panel. Once you scratch that off, as you can see here, there's a series of numbers, and what you're going to do is pop that into here. Once you've done that, this redeem button is going to highlight, and you can give that a click. And of course, once you've redeem start, that's going to be added to your credit. Then you're going to get a button pop up asking you to convert to Robux, which would just go ahead and click. After the initial up, your balance should update. If it doesn't update automatically, all you need to do is refresh the web page, and that should show your balance. And if you look at the top right hand corner, add its option up here. This is actually your option for Roblox. So this would also update to show you how many Robux you have in your account. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.